So this week you are going to be learning about using the var data type, which is a little bit different than what you've been using in the past. In the past, we've actually had to specify if it's an integer or if it's, double or if it's a string. And with var, it looks at the data that you're going to store and it determines the data type. So this is a little bit different than what we've been doing in the past. You're also going to learn about dynamic arrays using array list. And you will learn about the array list methods that you can use to modify the items that you're storing. And then we're also going to be working with constant variables, which are variables that do not change. So that's what we are going to be covering. You're going to start with the lesson key points. They will go through all of those concepts and give you lots and lots of examples. Here is a video that you can watch that will walk you through that lecture demo. Then you are going to go into Code Easy, and there are only 3 exercises that you need to complete. The first one is a bit challenging, and the other 2 are tricky as well. So I've got some helpful hints for you guys. Make sure that you look at these helpful hints before you go in and try those exercises. In fact, I would probably print this out. This will help you immensely. Okay. Once you have those exercises completed, make sure you take screenshots and submit those to the Dropbox. Then you will move on to the lab assignment. And there is a video that explains each of the exercises in this assignment. But you'll see that I've given you an example, and you're going to be creating something similar. The instructions are down here. Okay, and then for a detailed walkthrough of a similar example, watch the video. Then you will be submitting that code. And once you finish with that, we have a unit test. This is like the other tests where you are going to have 3 shots at getting a high score. There are 19 questions on the test. The questions are worth between 1 and 5 points, depending on the difficulty. The test is open book, open note. And again, you're going to be able to take it 3 times. You are not going to know if you got, or you're not going to be able to see the correct answer until the test closes. And the close date is basically the end of the week at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you submit the test before that time. If you take the test through the first time and there's a question that you don't understand, please ask. You can copy it into an email and ask me about it because there is no time limit. You can actually wait to submit until you get my answer. Unless you waited till the last minute to take the test, in which case you got to make sure you submit by 11:59 p.m. So questions are not going to be kind of vanilla true false multiple choice. There is a wide variety of question types on these tests. They are very similar to what you see in certification exams. So if you run into problems, have questions, let me know. I did include some additional resources for you on array lists and data types. And that pretty much covers what we're going to be doing this week. If you have questions, run into problems, let me know, and have a great week.